Hey everyone, thanks for tuning into Crypto ZX. I really appreciate you stopping by my channel today. To all my viewers watching my video right now, can I please ask you guys to smash that like button and hit the red subscribe button if you haven't already. This does help with the channel tremendously and it also keeps me motivated on making videos for you guys. But with that being said, let's jump right in today's content. Just a quick reminder for all my viewers, and that is, guys, if you guys have not joined the Telegram group chat, guys, what are you waiting for? It's free to join. A link in the description box below. We talk about cryptocurrencies, the latest news and trends revolving around the space, and just have a great time at the end of the day. So come join the group and let's build this community together. Now let's jump right in today's content. Alright guys, before I begin, I would like to say the disclaimer: anything on this channel should not be taken as financial advice because I am not a financial advisor. Cryptocurrencies are super volatile, so please do your own due diligence and research before investing in these markets. Looking at the overall crypto market cap today, we're currently sitting at $1.65 trillion. We're up 7.3% in the last 24 hours. Meanwhile, BTC dominance is currently sitting at 41.6%. Looking at the overall markets, guys, we are seeing some mild green across the board, especially because Bitcoin is up 8.8% in the last 24 hours, but still nothing to get excited about. We still need to hit specific price targets for Bitcoin in order for us to get excited that the bottom is in. We will get into Bitcoin charts later on, but today, guys, I want to focus more on XRP. All right, XRP family, if we're looking at XRP's price right now, we're currently trading at 89 cents. We're up 2.4% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative, but we're down 6.2% in BTC comparative in the last 24 hours. XRP's current rank on CoinMarketCap and on CoinGecko is at the top 7 spot. Market cap right now is $41.1 billion. Meanwhile, 24-hour trading volume is at $4.28 billion. Zooming out and looking at the bigger picture, guys, in just the last year alone, we're still up 2.3%, and in the last 30 days we are down 36.4%. But now this should not be coming as a surprise to any one of us because we know what has been going in the markets for the last 1 month almost, and it should not be a surprise at all. But now let's deep dive into the XRP charts. But before we do, I just want to share some bullish news about XRP with you guys, and then we will get into the charts right away. So, this is a very long article posted by a Cointelegraph, but I will leave the link in the description box below. If you're an XRP holder, I, strongly encourage you guys to go over this. It's very, very interesting. So, Ripple publishes a proposal for federated sidechains to keep a main ledger lean. In lieu of expanding the main ledger functionalities, Ripple's developers argue that using federated sidechains will help preserve the blockchain's leanness and efficiency for payments. Like I said, strongly encourage you guys to read this article if you're an XRP holder. I will leave the link in the description box below. And also, guys, this is a very interesting thing. Ripple posted the National Bank of Egypt and Lulu International Exchange are elevating the cross-border payments experience with what? RippleNet. Very, very interesting. And these guys keep on expanding day by day. Despite the fact I have been mentioning this for quite a while now, especially if you're a follower on my channel, a regular viewer, you guys know I always say this. Even though we are seeing massive lawsuit going on with Ripple and the SEC. Despite that fact, guys, Ripple is not stopping. They still want to expand. They still want to get bigger and bigger, and that is a bullish sign on its own. So props to Ripple on Ripple and the Ripple holders, and I believe the future is very, very bright for them. And also there is an update coming out from the lawsuit. James K. Fillon posted this, as you guys can see. He came out and said the Ripple files its oppositions to the SEC request for 60-day extension of the discovery deadline. I will keep you guys updated if anything else comes out of the lawsuit, and we will go from there. So I just wanted to put that out there for you guys. Now let's deep dive into the charts and see what's exactly going on. We can see right off the bat, XRP is currently trading at 88.45%. We are right below this level of support at this 89.3 cents. We will get above that very easily, in my opinion. Since the drop that we did have in the markets just a few days ago, markets have recovered, especially XRP, about 13.2%. What I would like XRP to do is get above this level of support and stay above it at all cost. We need XRP to stay above it and gradually move towards the upside to this next support level. but right now it is going to play as a resistance for us. But this is my next price target for XRP in the immediate short term, which is at that $1.18 mark. If we bring out the measuring tool, guys, that is currently away about 35%. So all eyes are still on this target for me personally, and I believe we should get above this level very, very fast, as long as Bitcoin were to stabilize somewhere. And until then, there is still a chance for us to be on the shaky end of the spectrum, and we could possibly still fall towards the downside. But right now everything is looking not so bad for XRP. But you guys know, all my regular viewers, especially if you're new coming into the markets, you guys know by now that these markets are very, very highly correlated with Bitcoin's price. And Bitcoin, when it goes towards the downside, we do see altcoins bleed even harder than Bitcoin. So let's look at Bitcoin charts and see what's going on with BTC, and then we will make a conclusion for XRP. So guys, if we're looking at Bitcoin's price right now, Bitcoin did something very nice, and that's exactly what we want Bitcoin to be doing. So initially we were trading within this triangle range, as you guys can see, and then we were creating higher lows after higher lows, and we broke out of this trend that I had been saying that we need to break above at the $38,200 mark. We broke above it, and sadly the timing was not right. We saw Elon tweet come out, and that did really play a negative effect on the markets, and we went towards the downside. And then there was another public figure that I'm not going to say the name of, came out and made a tweet. I'm sorry, not a tweet. He mentioned something about Bitcoin being a scam because they want the US dollar to be the number one currency in the world, and they do not want any other currency taking over, and that's the reason they called it Bitcoin, quote unquote scam, which really did take the price of Bitcoin towards the downside, which I was saying we should not want to see us break below this level of support at the $33,100 mark. But obviously, if some big figure like that does come out and make a tweet, especially a negative tweet about Bitcoin, we will see some downwards momentum occur for Bitcoin. So we did go towards the downside. We broke below this level, guys, which is basically the last life support for a Bitcoin. We managed to get below all the way to $30,967, guys, as you guys can see. But we bounced back up very quickly, and one thing that's very interesting is that we closed back above this $33,233 mark. So that was a very, very bullish on its own. And then since then, guys, we have gone above this level of support, which I have been saying we need to stay above this level of support at all cost, at that $36,129 mark. This came out after we did hear some bullish news coming out of South America, from Brazil, and so on, that and El Salvador news that really did kickstart some bullish momentum occurring in the markets, excitement building up, and we did go towards the upside. But let's not get excited. I will say that once again. We are not getting excited until we break above this level, guys, at this $40,000. So we need to break above $40,000 for me to get excited that we are headed towards one of these price targets where I will believe that the bottom is in. But right now, there's still definitely a possibility for us to go towards the downside. So please, let's not forget, and let's not get too excited right now. All eyes should still be on Bitcoin. So what does that mean for XRP, you may be asking? So obviously, if we do see the bullish scenario, which would be obviously the upwards trend occurring for Bitcoin, I would not be surprised if XRP gets back into this range. We might see some sort of retracement around this level, because this will play as a level of resistance for us at that $1.17 mark. But if we do have the right buying pressure, I would not be surprised if we break past this and get back into this 0.50 Fibonacci retracement level. We have a lot of support built up around this level, so this would be very, very bullish. But right now, the specific price target for me is at that $1.17 mark, and time will tell if we do get to that. And obviously, I'm a strong believer that we will, as long as, like I said, Bitcoin does hit those specific price targets. And for long term, guys, XRP, you guys know my stance on XRP. I believe XRP is here to stay. As much as there's so much, not conspiracy. As much as other people have their own opinions on XRP, guys, let's not underestimate the power of XRP. I have been saying this for, for a long time, and my regular viewers know that by now. Because guys, perfect example right in front of us is that, despite the fact that they're going through something super major, guys, an SEC lawsuit which would get any company in so much stress, but Ripple is still delivering day by day. They are still trying to expand, and that is a bullish thing on its own. And the community is very big, and XRP has built up its credibility over the years. And on top of that, it has a working product. It has a real use case and a working product, which makes me super bullish. And I strongly believe, Ripple and XRP are here to stay. And as long as we were to hear some sort of positive news come out of this lawsuit, XRP is going through the roof, and nothing is going to stop it, in my opinion. But again, this is just my own personal opinion. Only time will tell. And obviously, there's speculation, not speculation anymore, because we did hear this come out of Girlinghouse. Words from him, the man himself. He came out and said, once this does come to a conclusion, this entire lawsuit, once it were to get settled, we will look into going public, and that would be a very historic moment for XRP. And I believe XRP will smash past all-time highs. We are just waiting for some sort of official news coming out of this lawsuit, and I believe XRP is off through the races. Because right now, if this is your first time coming on to my videos, I have explained this before, but I know there's a lot of new viewers coming on my channel every single day, so I will repeat this once again. So if we do compare some of the major altcoins, the biggest altcoins on CoinMarketCap and on CoinGecko at the top 100 level mark, we will see majority of them in the last year all up 1,000, 2,000%, but we're seeing Ripple up 342.3%, and that is mainly because of this lawsuit that is going on right now. Because right now, investors are still on the sidelines. They are not 100% convinced until they do hear some sort of official announcement come out. But just because of these positive news coming out, we have seen price momentum towards the upside. Imagine the official announcement. I do strongly believe that we will go through the roof, hit all-time highs, because if we do put all these factors into play, I definitely do believe this will happen. But again, only time will tell. Upwards trend can always be invalidated by Bitcoin's movement, because at the end of the day, Bitcoin is the leading indicator of the market. So never forget that, guys. But with that being said, I think I am going to wrap up today's video around here. Let me know in the comment section below where you guys could see in the end of this month XRP trading at. I would love to know your thoughts down below, and do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe this video, because guys, this does help my video get to a wider audience, so your support would be greatly appreciated. And also, thank you so much for all the support that you guys show me, each and every one of you guys, especially my day one followers, my regular viewers. I appreciate you guys from the bottom of my heart. Thank you once again. And I believe this is just the absolute beginning for our channel. We're only going to get bigger and bigger day by day. And with that being said, never forget, guys, as family, health, and safety comes first, and everything else absolutely comes later. With that being said, I will see you guys tomorrow. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.